Psoriasis tips, home remedies for psoriasis. Do-it-yourself isn't just for arts and crafts anymore. Some people are also using home remedies for temporary relief. These home shampoos and salves may help to temporarily relieve symptoms, often with products you already have around the home. These DIY home remedies are not meant to substitute for your prescribed treatment plan. Some herbal remedies may cause dangerous interactions with your medications. So, before taking any home remedies for your psoriasis, talk with your doctor. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, how-to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. Here are 5 of our favorite homemade solutions. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar may be used to help relieve the symptoms of psoriasis. Try applying it to your scalp several times a week. If it burns, you can dilute it with a 1-to-1 ratio of water. Be careful not to apply apple cider vinegar to open wounds. It might burn. Some people even add a cup of apple cider vinegar to a warm bath for all-over relief. If you want to use it as a compress, soak a washcloth in a solution of 1 part vinegar to 3 parts warm water and apply to your skin for at least 1 minute. Test a small area first. 2. Aloe vera. It's no surprise that aloe vera makes our list for its soothing characteristics. Aloe vera is a type of succulent with gel-filled leaves that may have a soothing effect and improve hydration. That's why applying pure aloe vera gel could be beneficial in helping your psoriasis symptoms temporarily. 3. Oats. Oats have long been considered a safe way to soothe irritated skin. You might have heard of people taking oatmeal baths for chickenpox, and the same philosophy applies here. You'll want to use colloidal oatmeal, which is ground into a fine powder, to avoid clogging your drain. Try adding half a cup at a time to your bath until you find the right consistency. You can even apply it as a salve if you don't want to take a full bath. 3. Tea tree oil. It's all natural, antibacterial, and antifungal. This multi-purpose solution can be mixed with water and applied to the skin overnight, added to a warm bath, or even mixed with shampoo. A little goes a long way, so make sure not to add too much. 5. Epsom salts. Epsom salt is a naturally occurring mineral made up of magnesium and sulfate. While that may sound intense, these minerals can be beneficial to your body, and even reduce irritation and inflammation in some cases. You can find Epsom salts in any grocery store. Try adding them to a warm bath and soaking in the soothing qualities. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how-to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.